hot treats. Hi guys, welcome to Annierose hot treats. Today we did make cheddar hot cookies. What you need? Some cookies and some strawberry and some white chocolate and some more cheese chocolate. How many ingredients? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get started. First we can cut the leaves off the strawberry. Once we cut the leaf, and then we can melt the white chocolate. We melt the white chocolate. Let's do it. Once we melt the chocolate white, put the chocolate for 30 seconds to melt. Then you make it the cookie. You have to take the cookie and put inside here, and then you drip in the other side. I'm going to drip on the side. Once you put the chocolate on the cookies, now we put strawberries on the cookies. Let's get started. How many we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We put some chocolate. Now we put the ball inside and then finish. The cheddar hot cookies. I put some coconut on it. Wait for the chocolate to dry. And then it's ready. Yay, it's ready now. Now we have to taste it. Let's get it. Merry Christmas! If you like this video, put thumbs up, subscribe on it, give it a heart. Remember to give it a heart. And thank you for watching. Put a thumbs up.